Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is called Victory. I've seen it by many other names, so I'm just going to use Victory. Okay, a 4-strand cord consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches long, 35.56 centimeters, melded together, connected to make the core. Colors we're going to be working with is black, blue, and purple. All 3 of them are 64 inches long or 162.56 centimeters. You're going to need a ladder, a pair of scissors, and a presser. And also, I'm going to be using some fidge later on with it. Well, let's get to it. And here we go. From the back, black on the bottom, turn it over, in between these 2. Mount. And then from the top, going to the sides of the cow hitches. And then with the blue, we're just going to start with the blue. Alright. On the right side, goes under, over, and down to the left. Yeah. No. Yep. Okay. Now, the black from the right side comes underneath, up in between 2 and 3. Black from the left side, underneath everything, including the other black, and then comes up in between 2 and 3. Now, the blue on the right side stays on the outside of it, down, up under, and in between 3 and 4. Blue from the left side, same thing. Here. Up, in between 1 and 2. And this is what you should have. Now the purple coming from the right side, over across, down, in between 2 and 3, comes up right over here, in between 2 and 3, on the right side of this purple. Left side, mirror image, down, in between 2 and 3, comes up, in between 2 and 3, on the left side Alright, push everything up. Tighten. Purple. And the blue. Okay, now we start off with the purple. The right side goes underneath the black, over and down to the loop. From the left side, exact same thing, mirror image. Underneath, over, down to the lip. And you want it tight but not overly tight. Now the black from the right side goes up in between 2 and 3 out the side. Black from the left side underneath everything including the other black comes up in the middle between 2 and 3. Now, this time we're using the purple instead of blue. It's going to alternate colors between blue and purple all the way down. Okay. It goes down and up in between 3 and 4. Mirror image down and up through in between 1 and 2. The blue on the right side down in between 2 and 3, up right here in between 2 and 3 to the right side of the blue. Left side mirror image down, under, and through. And you know the whole weave now. And I'm going to put the fizz on to make it just a little bit easier. Now the blue, under, around, over, and down to the lip. On the left side, same thing, under, over through the lip. Okay, black from the right side, up in between 2 and 3. Black from the left side, underneath everything, up in between 2 and 3. Now, the blue from the right side, down, under, up in between 3 and 4. Blue from the left side, mirror image, under, up, in between 1 and 2. Now the purple from the right side, down, in between 2 and 3, up in between 2 and 3 on the right side of the purple. mirror image down in between 2 and 3, up in between 2 and 3 on the left side of the purple, on the left side. Center everything up, tighten the black, we do the purple, then the blue, tighten up more, blue, blue, purple, purple. And I happen to have some acrylic markers. And if you don't like that white spot, oh, what white spot?